Okay, I accept your point if the person who has got the problem is a female. But men generally like simply to have things fixed.
Yeah.
Are you telling me men don't want to have things fixed, they just want to...
It's a great question. Glenn, would you mind getting that up for me again? Thank you. Just the PowerPoint one. Thank you. It's a really good question, friends. We do want to fix things. But one of the things about men, and one of the things that's really important to us, is that we fix it. And you don't tell us how to fix it. Because if you tell me what I should do or how I should do it or ask me, it's like you disempower me.
I'm judging you for the word.
Absolutely, and judging, and you almost feel weak.
So I should say, what can I do to help you?
Oh, what do you need, Jim?
Yeah.
What do you think you need, or what do you reckon you could do here? Because the point is that Glenn wants to feel like he can sort it or fix it, and if I jump in and tell him what to do, it drives him absolutely crazy. So the point is that if I can reflect the emotion, and then there's a little listening one sort of somewhere down there. Thank you. If I can reflect the emotion and the frustration he feels, and look, you don't have to label it, like it can be really quick. It can be, geez, it sounds like it was really frustrating that the equipment wasn't working today. That's great, that's perfect, because acknowledgement comes first. That's the first thing people want to hear to feel validated. But the second part is tap into his resources.
I have a question around that.
Of course.
Because for my thing like that is,
Just one more. Thanks, Glenn.
if Glenn's in that scenario and everything else like that, my belief is to get Glenn to understand for himself where he's sitting in that, about, hey, Glenn, how are you feeling about that? And then if I go, I can see you're really sad or you're frustrated, that's only my assumption and my projection on him of where I see it.
Yeah. That's
my
exactly
belief
right.
would be to let him speak, to actually give me his data on exactly what's come up with him, and then how do we move forward from that space.
Perfect. So in fact, what you're talking about, which is just on cue, and I'm very appreciative, is just this. Metaphorically stepping into, sorry it's a bit small, metaphorically stepping into the other person's world, leaving out your own opinion, leaving opinion behind. Oh, that's great. Seeing, hearing and feeling the situation as if we then repeat this step for this person. But to do that, it might be, what's that really like for you? Like it might be just putting in a question and asking a question, what was the most frustrating part? Well, it was the fact that I had these really willing people, but the bloody equipment wouldn't work. Or it was the fact that the assumption was that it was going to work, and by the time I felt that it didn't work, they'd left home and I couldn't get the help. Fortunately, friends, that's it.
Sorry,